just a stranger, so the more let's pop together. Oh.
But I think I'm a fool, trying to breathe underwater, driving with my darling, faster than I should, driving with my darling.
Why does it hurt to love you? I don't know. Why does it hurt to love you? I don't know. Why does it hurt to love you? I don't know. Why does it hurt to love you? I don't know.
I'm a huge freak who likes maids more than anything else in the world. All my favorite books are about maids. I visit maid cafes every single day, and I collect maid figurines too. My heart races every time I play maid dating games, and in my spare time I dress in maid costumes and breathe heavily while I stare at myself in the mirror. See ya.
If I had a steak, oh boy, a rare, a bloody steak. If I had a steak, I would fuck it.
Hey, I'm sorry to do this to you, but I have a crush on you. Wait, what? I have to crush you. What? Bye!
I think I'm really losing it.
Maybe this will help. What do you see on this card?
I'll dance, and if you don't, I'll dance anyway.
Who's supplied with all you see? It's me. The world you know never seems to take it slow. A tyrant pace and beat. So don't delay. I'll be here. I'll say good day. Just please don't touch the dial. Just stay around.
Oh boy, that girl is so pretty. I think I'm going to ask her out on a date. Hey, did you want to maybe grab a bite?
Fuck you.
Said the fuck you girl, stealing my balls and straight up throwing them like a quarterback.
Damn, my goddamn nuts hurt. Bro, why are you telling me that? My bad, bro. I be saying whatever. Getting me all excited. What the fuck?
Yo, Mr. White, look. Full moon. Oh no, Jesse. Run! What? Run before it's too late!
Ew, emo fag.
Fingers in his ass, fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass, fingers in his ass, fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes big fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes big fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes put fingers in his ass. Fingers in his ass, he likes in his ass, he likes in his ass. Fingers in his ass, yes, pinky, index finger and the thumb in his ass. To the butthole goes numb. West in his ass, north in his ass, east in his ass, most definitely in his ass. Yes, yes, Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. He likes big fingers in his. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. He likes big fingers in his. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Fingers, 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 fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Kanye likes fingers in his. Kanye West he likes fingers in his ass. Fingers, 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 fingers in his ass. Fingers in his ass, fingers in his ass. Kanye likes fingers in his hole. Hey, hole. Hey, hole. Hey. Fingers, 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 fingers in his hole. Hey, hole. Hey, hole. Hey.
Right, I'll tell you what, you fat little c***. You're boring. You don't sound Nigerian at all. So go and fuck yourself. Go and fall in the dirty, dank little hole where you come from, you dirty, dragon-eating little fuck.
Hey, what do you think of this?
Yo, I'm bored. You wanna go hang out with Fluttershy?
Okay.
Take that, you stupid cunt. Yeah, welcome to Ponyville, faggot. Bada boom.
Alright, let's go.
You're about to get clipped by an alpha with a cold heart.
There is no way you just said that. Bro, it's just a game. Calm down.
should have been poopy. What? Why aren't you guys clapping? Come on, go ahead.
If my nose is correct, one of you beauties is on your period. I'm right, aren't I? Who is it?
It's me.